Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time. Just use a bottle and your washing machine will thank you. A washing machine is one of the most essential appliances in your home. Its proper functioning depends on regular maintenance. One critical component to care for is the washing machine filter. It's responsible for trapping small debris. Neglecting regular cleaning of the filter can lead to serious problems. Place a towel under the filter area. Take an empty plastic bottle, cut off the top part, then trim a section of the side to fit the opening of the washing machine where the filter is located. Unscrew the filter. Watch as all the dirt and debris flow directly into the bottle. This is the moment you realize how easily your washing machine can get clogged if the filter isn't cleaned regularly. Once the filter is removed, place it in the sink. Clean it thoroughly with a brush to reach every crevice and remove all debris. Do the same for the filter opening. Pour water into the opening to rinse it. Then, put the cleaned filter back in place and screw it tightly. The filter is clean, and your washing machine works like new. This simple task helps you save on costly repairs. I discovered a genius trick that will transform your washing machine. The results will surprise you. It's simple, cheap, and works every time. Grab some kitchen sponges. The more, the better. Make holes in the middle of each one. I use a soldering iron, but you can also use a knife or a skewer. Thread the sponges onto a string and secure the end so they don't fall off. It's an easy and eco-friendly solution that requires minimal effort. Place them in the washing machine and pour plenty of lemon juice over them. Run the machine without detergent and watch the magic happen. Lemon has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes bad odors. This trick will dissolve dirt and residue, causing bad smells. Not only will your washing machine be refreshed, but the rubber seals will also be cleaned. You'll love how fresh and clean your machine smells afterward. After the cycle, your machine will smell fresh and clean. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Throw 2 dishwasher tablets into the washing machine. This simple trick for a smelly washer works instantly. It'll be as clean as new. Regular cleaning is the key to fresh-smelling laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Pay special attention to the rubber seals, drum, and door. That's where most of the grime, detergent residue, and moisture build up. Never skip those spots. In a large container, dissolve 1 dishwasher tablet in about 14 ounces, 400 milliliters, of very hot water. Stir well until it fully dissolves. In a separate container, pour about 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters of vinegar. It has antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Pour the dishwasher tablet mixture into the detergent drawer. Pour the vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. Set your washer to a 140-degree Fahrenheit, 60-degree Celsius cycle and run it. During the cycle, the drum and seals will get a thorough cleaning. Not only will the buildup disappear, but so will bad odors and hidden gunk under the drum. You can also pour the dishwasher tablet solution into a spray bottle and use it as a cleaner for other parts of the washer. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will reward you with fresh, clean laundry and trouble-free operation. Apply toothpaste to a lemon and put it into the washing machine drum. Very few people know this trick. If you have not tried it yet, it is time to change that. Most of us do not clean the washing machine regularly, which leads to a buildup of dirt and residue. With this simple trick, you can keep the appliance clean without using expensive chemicals. Cut the lemon into 2 equal halves. Apply toothpaste to each half. Both ingredients have strong disinfecting and antibacterial properties. Put the prepared lemon into the washing machine drum. Pull back the rubber seal and sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside. Scrub thoroughly with a toothbrush and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, clean the detergent drawer thoroughly. Prepare a mixture of about 2 ounces of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix well and apply the foam to the surface of the drawer. Wait a moment and clean hard-to-reach areas with a toothbrush. Set a short wash cycle and start the washing machine. When the cycle is finished, simply remove the lemon. Do not forget about the washing machine filter as well. Take 1 absorbent diaper and place it under the filter. It will absorb the water that flows out when you unscrew it. This way, you will avoid flooding the floor and extra cleaning. These methods will make your washing machine clean, fresh, and free of limescale. This method not only effectively refreshes the inside of the washing machine, but also helps protect it from future buildup of dirt. Pour into the washing machine, and you'll get rid of the musty smell, dirt, and mold. A clean washing machine guarantees clean and fresh-smelling laundry. But you don't have to use strong bleach to get rid of mold and odors. Start by cleaning the rubber seal, where dirt and mold tend to accumulate. Use a regular kitchen sponge for this. Most of the dirt will come off with the rough side of the sponge. For the washing machine door, simply spray it with vinegar. Wash it and wipe it with a dry cloth. This will remove residue and water scale. The detergent drawer also needs attention, and the compartment where the drawer goes should be cleaned as well. Vinegar eliminates mold spores and removes scale. In just a moment, that spot will be clean too. Now, take some dishwasher tablets and throw them into the washing machine. Use 3 or even 4 tablets. Toss in a towel or a sheet as well. This will help clean the machine more effectively. Pour an additional 2 liters of water into the machine. You'll need a bit more water to properly clean the drum. Select the special cleaning program if your washing machine has one, or just a regular cycle with the highest temperature. After this wash, you'll see the machine will be cleaner than ever. Instead of fabric softener, put this in the washing machine. A hotelier once showed me this trick. Too much detergent and fabric softener make towels rough and less absorbent. This one ingredient will change that. Load only towels into the washing machine. Add a handful of baking soda, which softens fibers while eliminating odors and bacteria. Now it's time for rice. Blend 2 tablespoons of rice into a fine powder. Add 3 ounces of water and let the mixture sit for several hours or overnight. After that, strain the liquid to remove any grain residues. Now pour 1 cup of rice water into the drum. Add regular laundry detergent to the detergent compartment and vinegar to the fabric softener compartment. For a fresh scent, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Set the wash to 100 or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the machine starts dispensing detergent, pour in the remaining rice water. Your towels will come out incredibly soft, fresh and fragrant, without using chemical store-bought softeners. Try it.